Factor through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So here we go, race fans. Amelia McLean going to drag her heels down the back straightaway. Off into turn number 3. Out of turn number 4. Greens up, throttles down. We are underway with your front wheel drive feature event. Jacob Sharp getting that good run off turn number 4. He's going to lead him off into turn number 1. Amelia McLean going to be giving chase, and it's going to be the P15 of Patterson. Patterson going to round out the top 3 as he's going to try to make his way around Amelia McLean. Patterson going to slide up the racetrack. Amelia McLean going to battle back. It is still going to be the 15 of Patterson, but give lap number 1 to Jacob Sharp. As now we've got 1 and 2 fanned out. It is going to be door-to-door for that number 3 spot between the 3 of Dakota Lamping and the 717 of Amelia McLean. As Amelia Rector slides back to 4th, but now the race is going to be for the lead. That's going to be Patterson and Sharp. Sharp still showing the way. We are 3 laps down. As Patterson going to take a peek underneath the skirt of your race leader, Jacob Sharp. So Jacob Sharp now starting to put a little bit of real estate in between him and the number 2 man of Patterson, but that's going to open the door for the 3 of Lamping. Lamping sitting back there with his pen and paper taking notes, trying to make his way around the number 2 man to try to better himself. As we are 5 complete, 10 to go. Patterson now going to take over the number 2 spot. Lamping still trying to make his way around the number 15 of Patterson. Jacob Sharp still showing the way. As you see the white smoke coming out from the backside of your race leader, got to make you wonder, is that motor going to hold together for the full 15 laps? As Lamping taking a peek underneath the skirt of the number 2 man of Patterson. Can't get it done this time around. Patterson going to shut the door on him. As you're going to look down to our official flag, man, you see those cross sticks in the air. We are halfway home. As here we go. Patterson takes a look at the race lead. Can't make the momentum work on the bottom side of the racetrack. Jacob Sharp shuts him down as you look. The 08 of Jacob Sharp's going to have that smoke rolling off the right front tire into turn 1. That is tire rub. That is not engine smoke. Patterson now going to back off. He's got some pressure from the number 3 man of Lamping. 10 down. You're going to see 5 more to go this time. Patterson going high. Lamping going to the bottom side. It's going to be side by side off turn number 2. Lamping has a good run. He's got the preferred line. Watch him into turn 3. As that is not going to do it for him. Here comes Amelia Rector. It's a 3-way battle for the number 2 spot. Patterson, Rector, and Lamping. As Jacob Sharp out for a Sunday cruise at this point. Almost going to go 3 wide off into turn number 3. Amelia Rector going to try to thread the needle. Can't do it yet. But give Amelia Rector the podium position. She's going to dive down below Patterson. Patterson now looking out of his driver window as he sees Amelia Rector. As that's going to be 2 to go. Bull horns in the air for Jacob Sharp. Jacob Sharp out walking the dog. You see the smoke out from the 08. Does he have a right front flat? As the white flag going to be displayed this time, it's going to be one more rotation around at Golden Mountain Raceway Park. Jacob Sharp down the back straightaway. Into turn number 3. Out of turn 4, Jacob Sharp taking your front-wheel drive feature all the way back to Crossville, Tennessee. Amelia Richter going to be second, and Dakota Lamping rounding out your podium.